Gardeners, your plants are only as healthy as the soil they grow in. Whether you're tending to a lush balcony garden or a backyard oasis, understanding soil health is the secret to thriving plants. If your flowers, vegetables, or herbs are struggling, the problem often starts below the surface. But don't worry, soil can be revived. Let's explore 5 clear signs that your soil is in trouble and, more importantly, how to fix it. 1. Water doesn't drain properly. If you notice puddles forming on your soil's surface after watering, or if plants' roots stay soggy, you have a drainage issue. Poor drainage leads to root rot, fungal diseases, and overall plant stress. The best fix is to improve soil structure by mixing in organic matter like compost, coconut coir, or shredded leaves. In container gardens, ensure your pots have adequate drainage holes and use a well-aerated potting mix. Raised beds or mounded soil can also help with persistent drainage problems. Hard, cracked, or compacted soil. Does your soil feel rock hard when dry? Compacted soil prevents roots from expanding and limits water absorption. This issue is common in gardens that experience heavy foot traffic or have clay-heavy soil. To loosen compacted soil, regularly add organic matter like worm castings or well-rotted manure. Mulching with straw or wood chips can also help maintain soil moisture and prevent further compaction. Few or no earthworms and beneficial organisms. Healthy soil should be teeming with life, including earthworms and beneficial microbes. If you dig into your garden and find no signs of life, your soil may lack the organic material these organisms need to thrive. Bringing life back to your soil starts with feeding it. Add compost, aged manure, or organic mulch to attract worms and stimulate microbial activity. Avoid synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, as they can disrupt the natural soil ecosystem. Plants show nutrient deficiencies. Are your plant's leaves turning yellow, developing brown spots, or showing stunted growth? These are signs of nutrient imbalances. A soil test can reveal deficiencies, but a quick way to boost nutrients is by adding organic amendments. For nitrogen deficiency, mix in compost or alfalfa meal. If phosphorus is lacking, bone meal or rock phosphate can promote strong root development. To restore potassium levels, use banana peels, wood ash, or kelp meal. Regularly rotating crops and growing cover crops like clover can also help maintain a balanced nutrient profile in your soil. Persistent weeds and disease problems. An abundance of weeds often indicates poor soil balance, while frequent fungal diseases signal excess moisture and poor soil health. To control weeds naturally, add a thick layer of mulch to block out sunlight and suppress new growth. For fungal issues, improve airflow between plants, avoid overwatering, and introduce beneficial microbes with compost tea or mycorrhizal fungi inoculants. A balanced, living soil ecosystem is your best defense against both weeds and diseases. Final thoughts. Build healthier soil for a thriving garden. Your garden's success starts from the ground up. By addressing these soil problems with natural, sustainable solutions, you'll create the perfect environment for your plants to flourish. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more gardening wisdom, and share this with fellow plant lovers. Let's grow healthier, more vibrant gardens together.